Hello everyone, welcome to a flight over the remains of a Roman fort in the village of Cramond, not far from Edinburgh. During the ArcheoRadar series, I will be dealing with aerial survey in archaeology that is searching and documenting traces of human activity and forgotten buildings left behind over the centuries from a bird's eye perspective. I don't consider myself as an expert in this field yet, but I hope you'll see clear progress as new productions will come out. Let us now look at the area around our site. The fort was in use between 140 AD and 212 AD. It was located at the mouth of the river Almond by the Firth of Forth, which gave it significant strategic position, being protected on two sides by water. Opposite the village is the island of Cramond, to which the Second World War fortifications lead. In the distance shines Edinburgh. Let's take a closer look at the location of the fort. From a ground perspective, we see a fairly heavily transformed area with a fair amount of development. To get the best conception of this site, we need to look at it from above. Unfortunately, the area we are in is a landing corridor for airplanes, so I can only get up to 50 meters above it, but it is enough to notice all the interesting features. We are in position. Below us is the exposed central part of the fort that we will be focusing on today. The first excavations in the area were carried out in 1950s and revealed numerous building foundations, which we can see in the form of these longitudinal lines. Conservators have further exposed them by stone edging. And so we see the long barracks where the Roman soldiers were quartered. A latrine hidden under the tree. The granary cutting into the walls of the cemetery. And Principia, the command quarters, partially covered by the parish grounds, and another granary just to the left. Although the whole area was dug up during the survey, we can still see, looking from a different angle, the shadow of the rampart going along the buildings on which originally stood the wall surrounding this part of the fort, which was assessed by 6 gatehouses. Let us now fly to the secret bonus, which is located across the Almond River, where a sculpture of a lioness was found 25 years ago, and which we are unable to cross from the village due to the lack of a bridge in the closest vicinity. The mouth of the river may also have provided a natural harbor for Roman ships. Let the waterfall pass, and our destination is on a rocky headland visible in the distance. This will help to save a bit of walking for some of you. And here we are, the magnificent Eagle Rock, and still visible original carved Roman eagle. Thank you very much, and I hope you enjoyed the trip. See you next time, where we will visit the mysterious ruins in the woods to the east of Edinburgh.